It's March 1st.
What's up, family? Literally, my family. Oh, that's my cousin. Literally. So this thing is like hella bomb. Put a cracker, get cheese, put a grape, and then you eat it. Johnny, what is it called?
Chicka
Chicka.
chigger.
Huh?
Chicka. What's up, YouTube? It's my name is John, Cupra certified.
Is it a CPR?
Cupra.
Or Cupra?
CPR, like staying alive, ha 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 ha, staying alive. My name is John. I don't have a YouTube channel, but if I did,
You do have a YouTube channel.
it would be of me reaction to different videos. So right now, let's look at a reaction. Are you ready?
Go!
Oh, you're supposed to do that, not say go. It's supposed to be silent.
3, 2.
No, it goes M5.
5.
Oh my God.
No, camera
3.
rolling in 5, 4,
Just
3,
record.
2, 1.
No, you don't. From 2 and 1, you don't.
5, 4,
3. That, ganun. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Jonathan Reacts. Please excuse my indecency of my shirt. I'm trying to cover from the right above the nipple down. If you are offended, please don't body shame me. Reacting to a haka video. It says emotional wedding haka move quality bride to tears.
Oh my god.
This is also a food review. This is blueberries from Takeaway.
And there's also strawberries
10 out of
that
10.
are expired.
My background with Maori is very little. I only have Tongian and Samoan friends. I have 0 Maori friends.
Well, you will have one soon. There's one white guy, he looks really lost. He looks like Chris Pratt, he's really lost. Hey, what's good? It's my reaction video. Oh shoot. Look,
Hey.
I can react too.
Get away.
Hey, what's up?
Stop. Hey, oh, she's crying. Can you? Hey. Oh, that's so cute. She's crying. Oh, that's so cool. Hey. I have goosebumps right now. Can you see? Hey, there's a girl up in there. You must get it, girl. That's cool. Oh, the groom is now taking part in it.
Oh, your chicken skin, I cannot even see.
Then you need to get an HD camera.
Shut up.
Hey. Oh, the bride is doing it as well.
She better get it.
Okay, we're gonna turn this into Mario and Johnny reacts. Mario and Jonathan.
Jonathan. Ooh. Oh. Johnny, look at this one. That is a man. Oh.
That was it.
Oh, see, he's crying already. How is that moving?
I'm not crying at all.
Oh,
I'm
Johnny.
I'm not crying. My comments, chicken skin, I have no background to go off of. But if you guys want me to react to any other videos, comment down below.
Good morning, everyone. It's Dr. Seuss's birthday today, and so I made these little jello cups for like the cat in the hat stuff. Like, you know, they're striped. But I don't know how it's gonna do because I'm going to the gym, and I'm gonna be at the gym for about, it's because it's 5 right now, 7, and I feel like it's gonna melt. I was gonna put ice in one lunch bag, but I was like, oh, forget it. Like, I'm so lazy. I'm just gonna have them do arts and craft. Yeah, and plus I made it anyway, so I'm not even sure if I'm allowed to give it out.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough. And I used to think that I wasn't wild enough. And I can't believe you hurt me. I'm met your girl, what a difference.
your girl, what a
What you
difference.
see in her, you ain't seeing me. But I guess it was all just
You have been
cut off. I'm a lonely night. I love you, baby. Oh, pretty baby. Honey, honey, I can feel the stars all the way from here.
Can't you see the glow
On the window pane.
Everybody
else is Get it! What do you know?
What is it? Party.
This is proof that Johnny uses his phone while he drives.
What'll be
Rewrite the stars.
saying the word, saying you're made to be mine. Teach me where the light is.
Bus!
Let's go, Nisi Mayo. So sorry. Finish him.
You saw it here first. Pearl Harbor Hickam.
Look at the flick on her wrist. Close it. Fingers crossed. Well, good morning. This morning I got up craving the spicy noodles. No way. Praise God from whom all blessings flow. Look who picked me up! My ninong and my ninong. That is not as worse as my car, so don't worry. We're so big! Woo!
Hello, this is Rinalyn Valencia taking over Mariel.
She just finished before me.
This is my jam. I'm gonna turn this on. I'm sorry.
To fight for her, die for her. Someone who will take the time to place his heart inside of her.
I just got up.
You just woke up. You look like you took some time to get ready.
I'm tired.
You got ready.
Can
This is what happens. Look at all of that. When you park your car right there, Nisi boy. Look, get hard time. Oh, bye.
Just because it was first place, bro. Yeah.
Expired your registration.
Oh no.
Why are you mad?
Oh no. Oh no. Back down. Back. Back down. Back down.
Hey, don't be mad. Are you mad?
No.
What then?
I'm happy.
Which one?
What's that?
This one?
The summer.
Ending the night here. Let's try how much you can get off of that. Goodbye, everyone.